Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video will watch the best glass food storage containers with lids with over 22,893 customer reviews and brand C crest. 10-pack. Glass food storage containers with lids, airtight, BPA-free, meal prep containers for kitchen, home use. Safe material. Lead-free borosilicate glass. BPA-free snap locking lids. Environmental friendly. Features. Improved snap locking lids. Stackable design. Removable seal. Airtight, leak-proof. Odorless and taste neutral. Lunchboxes for adults. Lunchbox for men, women. Freezable, waterproof containers. Bento boxes. Leak-proof meal containers. Food storage containers. The containers are versatile to meet your everyday food storage needs. Perfect for prep meals at home and bringing them to work, school, or the gym, travel, and more. Dishwasher safe, freezer safe. Our glass storage containers are made from high-quality borosilicate glass, which is oven-safe over to 700. You can use them for freezer storage, microwave, and dishwasher. The containers are made of borosilicate glass, lead-free, and plastic lids, eco-friendly, BPA-free, are airtight and leak-proof to ensure no spills. These glass containers are made to nest inside each other and save crucial space when not in use. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section. Also, if you like my video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.